between the program, and we will tell you accordingly. I request HOD sir to kindly say about the department.
Good evening. Welcome to Department of Design. So, as you know, this is an unique department. Now, the moment you talk about any department in IIT, you basically refer to the departments of natural science like physics, chemistry, mathematics, or maybe pure engineering like mechanical, electrical, electronics, right, computer science. So this department is unique. This is Department of Design, and I'll just take you through some basic construct of our department and the kind of things that we do. So it started way back in 1997. So as you know, the IIT Guwahati is the 6th IIT of this particular country. So so our department established just during the inception of IIT Guwahati itself. I think you may put it off. I'll just speak. Otherwise it's noisy. It's better. Otherwise, it's. So it started way back in 1997, and so we started BDES program. So that is not BTech. This is Bachelor in Design program. Right. So then we started PhD in Design in 1999. We are the first Indian institute to offer PhD in Design. Right. So then we started our MDes in 2007. We started, what used to happen is in the beginning years, we used to take students from JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. In those days, JEE Advanced was not there. Only the JEE Mains and IIEEE was there. Yeah, you remember? Right. So we used to take kids from JEE. Then in 2016, we came up with a new entrance exam called UC, that is Undergraduate Common Entrance Examination, right, for design. As all of you are leading JNV in different parts of Northeastern region, I'm sure you are more interested in how to get into this program, right? So that you can communicate this to your faculty colleagues and also to the students. I'll come to the UC pattern and the kind structure and what kind of skill set that you look for. I'll come to that later. But there's a massive transformation that has happened in 2016 that we started taking kids from UC. So there has to be another exam called SEED. SEED is very popular. So that was only for the postgraduate program. Then IIT Bombay, they started the SEED program, SEED entrance exam. The SEED entrance exam was for the postgraduate. That was already popular. But there was no entrance exam for undergraduate. Then we came up with UC. Now, if you look 2025, the IITs like IIT Guwahati, IIT School of Design, IIT Bombay, IIT Hyderabad, IIT Delhi, IIT Kanpur is also going to start their undergraduate program. So all these IITs, they take undergraduate students from UC. And apart from this, there are other central government institutes and there are some private institutes also, they also accept UC score. So in 2022, we got funding from MIT, that is Ministry of Electronics and IT, Government of India. So as you know, now country has suddenly woken up towards the opportunity for the electronic products. No? So our dependency on the electronic product for China and Taiwan, somehow we have to get rid of it. So under able leadership of our Union Minister, we could get funding from MIT. The basic genesis of this particular project is to develop human capital to cater to the needs of the electronic industry, primarily focusing on electronic product design. So only two institutes has been given this project. One is the IIT Bangalore, that is Indian Institute of Science Bangalore, and IIT Guwahati. Indian Institute of Science Bangalore, they have come up with MTech in electronic product design. We argue our program will be MDes in electronic product design. There's a huge difference between. We argue our program will be a design-oriented program, not a technology-oriented, exploiting the opportunities of electronic research, right? And actually come up with an electronic product. So, Ministry has given us fund for 5 years. So now we are running another MDes program. Number of seats is 30. So 30 MDes students. So this is our third year, right? So under that, we are conducting MDes program. Also, we are conducting executive development program on electronic product design, where we invite executives from different electronic industry, number one. Number two, any entrepreneur who is interested to exploit the opportunity of the electronic product. So we have basically these two sets of participants in this EDP, that is Executive Development Program. One is the executives from electronic industry, second is the So in 2025, and as on date, we have 204 BDES students. And as you know, the BDES program is a 4 years program, right? We have 126 MDes students, so including the MDes regular and MDes EPP, and 83 PhD students as on date. So the workforce, as you know, we have faculty members and we also have technical staff. So we have 5 professors, 6 associate professors, 9 assistant professors, 2 professors on contract. So those 2 professors are under the electronic product design. They are very senior professors. Now they have joined under this particular institute. We have honorary professors. Institutes give us fund to recruit honorary professors from world-renowned universities. We have made a mark in different fields. And we have some technical officers and technicians and the workshop assistants. So what is the vision of Department of Design? So there you can see the design circle. So we will take you to design circle, right? So the Department of Design was set up with a vision to enrich the brightest mind of the country within the passion of creativity, innovation, and technology-driven design, right? So whenever we talk about our design program, we are talking about the creativity, innovation, technology-driven design, right? Through a firm understanding, appreciation, and celebration of design. So whenever we visualize design department, we visualize design department always with the design circle. So in the design circle, we celebrate Onam, we celebrate Diwali, right? So there are a lot of discussions that happens in design, that's an open discussion, and also people showcase their products in the design circle. So if you see the design disciplines, or though we do not have a formal bifurcation, like in mechanical you have very formal bifurcation like the manufacturing or thermodynamics. No, so here we will not have very formal bifurcation, but depending on the kind of electives that it takes, on that basis we have some kind of bifurcation. One is the interaction design. So interaction design, many times we call it the user experience design or human computer interaction. Right? So interaction design is one field, and most of the kids are taking a huge lot of interest in interaction design. Other is the communication design. Within communication design, we have the graphic design, or we have film, animation, right? Yeah. So all these things comes under visual communication. So we are showing you the rupee symbol because the designer rupee symbol is a faculty member of that is Professor Uday Mathemati. So he is not here today. He is on leave today. Otherwise, I would have here. Other is the product design. So So the whenever we talk about product design, it can be from a pencil sharpener to pencil to an aircraft design. So a spectacle frame, anything that you can touch, that will come. Or many times we refer to industrial design, right? So that's so this country expects IITians to become job creators rather than job seekers. So we are very proud to announce that our department has created entrepreneurs, right? So first we are referring to Ankit Nagori. Ankit Nagori is one of the founders of Flipkart, and he founded EOFIT. They have a very strong tie with IIT, and they are doing very well, right? So we have list of founders from our design school. They basically, in the initial years, they joined different organizations. Then, in one point of time, they decided, no, let me come up with my own organization, and they established their own. So the placement in educational research institutes is because we have a very strong PhD program, and many of our PhD research scholars, they look for opportunity in different academia and research institutions, right? And also the new trend is that not many PhD students are looking for opportunity in different startup or different business organizations too, not only limited. Our alumni are there in the Shaw, Google, Oracle, Adobe, Cisco, McKinsey and Company, Boston Consulting Group, Uber, Samsung. You name any business organization of review, you'll find our BDS and MS graduates, and these days PhD graduates are contributing. And they are in very strong leadership positions. All the departments of IIT, you will find that they have their own labs, right? So one group of faculty taking interest in one specific area of research, they will come forward to establish their own lab. Though we have our centralized facilities like the CIF, the Central Instrument Facility. I don't know, when did you arrive here?
27th. 27th.
Okay. So, did you visit other centralized facilities like CIF or central? So there you can see the 3D scanner, right? So 3D scanner and all VR equipments that we have equipped it. We have international collaboration with different renowned universities of this world. So this is the entire map of our international collaborations for faculty exchange, for joint research, and also for the students' exchanges. We promote the craft sector through design innovation. These are some of our initiatives. These are the World Bank, these are Asian Development Bank funded projects for the Canon promotion of the Canon bamboo craft. Train doctors in a VR environment for making surgery. Right. So we have also developed this VR in education. So where the kids are given the idea of basic physical chemistry, right, through VR applications, right. So one of the VR going into the universe, right. Okay. In neonatal and also in the pregnancy related health. So we have developed VR applications for care of the delivery cases. So we came up with design solutions for this kind of needs to set up a mega handloom cluster in Assam. So in the Sibsagar, we actually provided the cluster management. Because whenever we talk about medical engineering, right? So people know when you say design, people how to do it. A whole lot of opportunity lies in design, right? So we actually reach out to different places and tell people that these are the kind of opportunities that we have. So we have a tie-up with Gifu University, Japan, and under that joint initiative to train people how to do coding, which is how to do coding, right? And also VR applications to train young Navaratnas, right, and Miniratnas of this country, right? Tracks that we have developed for agribusiness or in the agriculture, as I told you in the past. So these are all craft level interventions that we have designed, we have told you, and apart from rupee design, there are other logo designs our people do. So we are into patent and design registration, right? So we have